sa mga partners natin from the media who are here. Happy 20th birthday to Sweep. So nakapang birthday din po ako kami ni Sarah. Saktong-sakto sa birthday ng Sweep. Sige, so I've been with Smart almost as long as Sweep has been in existence. So since ako yung pinakamatagal sa kumpanya dito sa amin, maglolola bashang muna ako for a bit or tita bashang naman. Magtitita bashang ako and auntie bashang para sa shot. Auntie bashang and tell you the story of Sweep, no? So in 2003, the technology was transitioning. So from analog, nagta-transition tayo to digital. And of course, so si Smart, we were gearing up by rolling out our infrastructure, no, our network all over the country. At dahil hindi naman po tayo nahuhuli from the rest of the world, obviously, globally, ganun din po yung nangyari. So yung effect po nun is that we were actually using our own engineers, our talented and experienced engineers in droves. Kasi pinopoach po siya ng mga foreign na mga operators. And so, ang ginawa po namin, obviously, we turn to the schools, nag-hire po kami ng mga new graduates. But the problem is that yung mga knowledge and skills that the new graduates had, medyo malayo, no, from what we needed in the industry. It actually took us 6 months to onboard and to train our new hires. And you could imagine, pagkatapos na po namin na-train, anong mangyayari? Aalis po ulit, makukuha, aalis, and we could not compete with that. And at that point, we decided na instead of waiting for the students to graduate and come to us, saka pa lang namin sila iti-train, we decided that we will already embed in the schools the same training that we provide already our new hires na mga engineers. And that's how SWEEP was born. So SWEEP stands for Smart Wireless Engineering Education Program. So we partnered with colleges and universities nationwide that offered engineering course. And then eventually, dahil po nag-merge na po engineering and IT, no, very thin line, pati po yung mga nag-offer ng IT courses. And then what we did is we set up a SWEEP lab, a laboratory in the school that simulated the telco environment. We also set up a cell site in the school para magka-signal yung school and also para po magkaroon ng hands-on experience yung both faculty and the students. So hindi na lang po siya ini-imagine at ini-imagine nila kung anong itsura, paano gumagana yung equipment. They can actually see it, no, in the flesh, and also they'll be able to tinker dun sa laboratory kung paano gumagana. So malalaman po nila yon. And then we also provided the schools with trainings, technology trainings, na tinatrain po namin yung mga faculty at ini-integrate po nila yon sa kanilang curriculum. Doon sa QR po na meron kayo, nandun po yung makikita nyo doon, actually yung mga list of trainings that we've offered that we're providing our partner schools over the course of 20 years. And makikita nyo po doon na yung trainings po na ipinoprovide po ng PLDT and Smart, it actually follows the direction of the company, the industry, and the technology. So sumusunod po, yun po yung promise namin sa mga partner schools namin. Kung saan kami papunta, doon namin dadalhin yung mga partner schools. And part pa nun is nag-accommodate po kami ng mga student OJTs sa aming network field offices. So until pre-pandemic po, no, we were accommodating about 400 student OJTs every year in all of our network field offices sa mga provinces. And pati po yung mga faculty, nag-intern din sila sa amin. Kasi nga, ang complaint ng mga faculty, pag bumalik na daw yung estudyante sa kanila, feeling ng mga estudyante, ako mas magaling na ako, mas marami na ako alam. Kasi kasama ko pa yung mga engineer, nag-troubleshooting kami, diba? So hindi lang siya theory, diba? So pati yung mga faculty nag-ask sila, pwede rin ba kami mag-intern sa inyo? So nag-internship po sila, mas maikli yung kanila, 2 weeks, yung sa mga estudyante, mas mahaba. At ano po yung naging resulta? So the result is that meron pong, yung may cadetship program po before ang SMART, yung mga hinahire po namin ng engineers, 80% of our cadets we actually got from our partner SWEEP schools. So na-hire po namin sila, and then we were able to reduce, dahil po nag-OJT na sila sa amin, na-enculturate na po namin sila, we were able to reduce our onboarding period from 6 months to just 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, kaagad, pwede na silang isa lang kaagad sa line. So, and then also, ang isa pang milestone namin is that nakapag-provide po kami ng local employment. So, yung mga local na hires po namin, dahil may partner school po kami sa mga provinces, doon po namin sinosource yung local talent na po, yung sinosource natin doon sa mga pangangailangan natin in the provinces. And then, since 2004, kasi nga po we are a technology company and innovation is at the heart at what we do at PLDT and Smart. Since 2004, meron na po kaming innovations program with the school to embed the culture of innovation in the youth. So, we encourage student and faculty teams to develop innovative, technology-based solutions, applications, platforms that can actually help their own community. And in 2013, nung lumabas po yung Idea Space from the group, it's an incubator and accelerator program, nakapag-spin-off na rin po ang SWEEP ng aming first startup company. So from from a school team, startup company na sila, tapos from a school project, they actually have a viable commercial product. And nakakapag-contribute din sila sa ating economic growth as a country because they're able to generate more jobs, di ba? Dahil nag-e-employ na rin po sila ng other youth and they're now paying it forward to other schools. They're going to around other schools and talking about innovation and talking about technopreneurship as well. So nag-pay it forward sila. And as a proud mama, i-share ko rin po na in 2016, actually Smart was included in Fortune Magazine's Change the World list. It is a roster of 50 companies globally that are changing the world. These companies are doing well by doing good. At ang sinay po nila doon ay ang SWEEP program because it's very much a part of our DNA. So it's one of our shared value programs na, we are supporting the business, we are able to support the business while at the same time being able to deliver real value and deliver positive impact to the society. So yun po mga bata, yan po yung aking kwento ngayong hapon. Ayan po, kaya po tayo nag-SWEEP. At saka yan po, so ngayon, we're very happy to be celebrating our 20th year. And tuloy-tuloy pa po. So meron actually tayong mga partner schools who are down there, so pwede nyo rin po silang ma-meet. But meron din po kaming, after me, meron po ang aming startup. Nandito ang aming poster boy will also share this experience. So para nakita nyo, from kay Sir Eric from Macro, what we're doing, what our trust is, so anong ginagawa namin to reach out to the community and support the business. And then ito na po yung output namin. So marami pong salamat.